This is our Thermo-King compost bin, and right now I'm about to show you how to put it together. So first off, you want to remove the banding that's used to keep it together. Simply use a pair of scissors just to cut them all away, then drag them all to one side from the compost bin, and then you can chuck it in your recycling bin later on. Components that you'll have with your compost bin are the lids itself. So you want to pick these up, take these to one side, and then with our Thermo-King, you've got the four walls to come together. But what you want to look out for are the small clips that are inside these walls, and these help to keep it together during transport. So what you want to do is just get these pushed back to release them, and then you'll be able to take the first bit off. All of them are clipped together, so just make sure you push them inside like so to release them, and then get each part out. So once you've unclipped all your parts, you should have two solid walls and then two what I call half walls. So these are just half walls with the extraction hatch, obviously you remove to remove all your compost from. So to begin with, you want to make sure you get a solid wall and then one of the half walls. And one thing you want to do is make sure you check to see which side says the top. So just on the inside of the compost bin, it's just clearly labeled which side is the top. So you simply line up the pins that are facing up with the hooks. Then once you've lined them up, just press down and they should slot in like so. Then do the same again for the extraction hatch. Make sure you find which side is the top and which side is the bottom and line it up. So the pin should be facing up on the side and push it down once you've lined them up. Then once you've done one, you grab your second solid wall and again, find the pins that line up. And then once they're lined up, push down for them to slot into place. So then get your last wall once you put your solid one in. Simply line up the pins that are facing up with the slots and then simply push down for them to go in. Last but certainly not least, make sure you get your extraction hatch. Once all lined up, push down. And do the same again for the other side. Now it's time for the lid. So your lid comes in two parts. So what you want to do is first connect it together. So you'll see this hinge in the middle that connects the two. So you'll just want to line those up and press them together until they click. So now you want to consider the lid like a pair of wings, and it's going to sit in the middle. You see there's two center grooves down the side of the compost bin, and the two hinges at the end of the lid will sit in like so. And there you have it. That is your Thermo-King 900 litre compost bin, all built up and ready to go.